everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package, and I had never heard of them before. Have you ever heard of this company? Their name was Outdoor Tide. I'd never heard of them. They did contact me though, and I'll tell you why I ordered from them, because I'm really not trying to order from everybody that contacts me. I don't. I mean, I have just deleted many emails, let me tell you. But this one I ordered from because they were interesting. They had some diamond paintings. I will say they didn't have a ton, but they had, as their name implies, outdoor things. Outdoor Tide. All right? Want to start with the outdoor thing? I'll start with the outdoor thing because it's what I opened so I could figure out who it was from. So this is an outdoor item. And I was like, this is cute. All right, let's look at this. Let's look at this. Okay. So they are, they have home and garden type things. And this is one of them. And I thought it was super cute. So I was like, yeah, ooh, it's heavy too. All right, so it's really cute, you guys. It is really cute. It's a hummingbird. Okay, you can see it's a hummingbird. Let me zoom you out a little bit. Whoa, not that much. Oh, well. So it's a hummingbird, and he's on a chain so he can hang outside, hanging from a tree, a limb, whatever, And it's got this dangly, this is what's heavy, is this ball, the disco ball at the bottom. And he can just be a little spinner out in your yard. Okay, yeah, we can't show you spinning unless we really zoom you out. There we go. Ooh, let's zoom you out. There we go. And you can just be a little spinner out in your yard. Cute, right? Super cute. So I thought, let me try that. I love this kind of stuff, And I've said it before, yard decorations don't last forever. They will rust, they will fade, they will break, they will, and it's always nice to get something new and fresh. So cute, right? Cute. So they had several outdoor type items. Okay, I can zoom you back in now. Okay. So, like I said, this is really the reason that I ordered something from them, because I was like, they have different types of items, and maybe some of you would be interested in those. I'll link it below. You can check it out. I did find a couple of diamond paintings. I believe they're both diamond paintings. Let me open them, make sure. So I just got a few things, and that's great. Like I said, I'm not accepting, items from everybody. If I did that, you guys, oh my gosh, you have no idea how many people contact me. This is a really pliable canvas. I'm going to roll it backwards. I forget what it is even, you know how that goes. There is a drill tray and wax, and it looks to be special drills with rhinestones. Oh yeah, okay. And it has 10 shapes. Oh, look at it. Isn't it cute? Super cute. Now, the only thing that could make this any better is if it had had one of the printed colored backgrounds, but it doesn't. But I will say this about it. It doesn't have a lot of white. I like that. Quite folded. You know how these are. But isn't she the cutest little puppy? She's adorable with all of her flowers. There, that made it a little better already. She's adorable. She's got bows in her hair, a little dress on, a little roughly dressed. Anybody have a like real dog that they, put clothes on? I mean, I know people do that. I have a whole wardrobe of sweaters and stuff for my dachshunds. Not that they really wear them. But isn't she cute? Super cute. Okay, let's see what kinds of drills we have. I'm assuming it's a lot of rhinestones because I don't see a lot of larger shapes on it. So I'm assuming it's rhinestones and probably something for around here and something for the center of the flowers. That's my guess. Let's see. Oh, there goes some specials right there. You just fall out. So here we go. A pink, a dark pink, a yellowy green, green, blue, orange, purple, yellow, and then there we go. These are a little bit larger. So those will be the centers of the flowers. I don't know if they go anyplace else, but certainly the centers of the flowers. We'll get those. And then the flowers, get these around the center, which will be really pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. All right, so that's really cute, right? Okay, cute. I'm ready for smashing the specials. That's what I need, right? Some more specials. Brandy, you know what? I could do smashing the specials every month, probably, and not finish everything I have. You know that, right? Anyhow, what's this? Another special. Oh, I remember this. This one looked really interesting. This one's a little bit bigger, it looks like. This one looks like, at least on the rendering and things like that, it looked like it's going to be a lot of special drills. It has 11 different shapes and whatnot. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So see what I mean? Look. Just look right here. Special, special, special. These are going to be rhinestones. Oh, those are going to be slivers. Oh, yay. These are going to be slivers around this. Oh, boy. But lots and lots of special shapes. Look at all of these, right? And look at this, how cool it looks. It's just this flower. And it looked like it was just going to be a ton of special shaped drills, which would be kind of fun. This is one you could cut out if you wanted to. This would not be that hard to cut out. If you wanted to cut this whole thing out and mount it on a different color, you could do that. It would not be that difficult, right? The elephant, I think, was harder. I don't know. I've only done it one time, but I think you could do it on that if you wanted to. Anyhow, let's see what we got. I'm hoping for some cool special shapes in here. Let's see. Okay, we're done. Sometimes these bags, they just go on and on and on. Oh, we got stuff in it here. Okay, let's see. Let's find rhinestones first. Okay, so really, oh yeah, there's very, very few rhinestones. All right, so we have the clear, we have a pink, and we have a yellow rhinestone. That's it for the rhinestones. See, that's what I thought. It was going to be a lot of specials. We have a yellow AB. All right. I call that special because it's not a rhinestone. I mean, they're all special, but we're all special. And then we have some pearls. We have red teardrops. We have yellow faceted. Here's our slivers. Well, there's not a ton of them. Yay. There's enough. There's enough. We have this clear AB teardrop. We have this pretty blue faceted teardrop. That's gorgeous. So you get the color palette, right? It's yellow, pink. It's got a little bit of everything. And then we have some larger pearls. So that's going to be really pretty. Like I said, not very many rhinestones. That's why I was pulled to it. I was intrigued. So that's what we have, you guys. And then remember, don't forget, our hummingbird, our lawn ornament. Yes. And they had lots of lawn type stuff and outdoorsy things like that. So interesting. So thank you, Outdoor Tide. And yeah, go check out their lawn stuff. Their outdoor ornament type things. They're pretty cool. Then if you find a diamond painting you like, you can throw it in there. But I really liked their selection of outdoorsy type stuff. So there you have it, guys. All right, I'm going to go. Got more videos to make, things to do. Thanks for watching, subscribing, all of those things. And I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, guys.